See that red sack? Oh, Sammy's behind the tree. And he got it down. Sammy. That is his toy, too. We'll see if he comes out with it. I think it's the snowman that's in there. What you got, Sam? Come show us what you find. Sammy, what'd you find back there? Can you bring it here? Can you bring it here, Sam? I'm not sure whose he's opening up back there. I can see red paper. Sammy.
Effective natural nourishment ever.
Come here.
Dove Deep Moisture with Nutrient Moisture. Superior natural nourishment for your skin.
Did you find a present? Well, we better go get it. Can you bring it here? Bring it here, Sammy.
Now let yourself one of the easier cuts on the green. I'm going to stay here for crispy curl.
Sammy. Well, I think he's getting another one back there. You better come back. Come back here. I'm going to have to plug that tunnel up again. Sammy, come here. What are you doing back there?
Settle down. Look at that, folks. Goodness me. Beautiful golf shot, and now it's
Oh yeah, there's a new one.
In fact, if she was whole high, that would have rolled up about 30 feet off the green. So she was fortunate that she was aggressive and went beyond the hole. Maybe she realised that. Go back to 12.
He's got it. Bring it here, Sam. Well, bring it here. I see you have it.
He said I'm getting it. Let me get in here. Gotta take it out a little bit at a time, see? I got it.
Let's see. Oh, what do you have? You got a snowman? Let's see. Oh, isn't that nice? Says I like it. You like it? Is that a nice present? Can't open any more. No more.
Yep.